Yeah, the name is Ganesh Raman. I'm with the California State University Office of the Chancellor, the Assistant Vice Chancellor for Research for this system.
Got it. And can you tell me about your perspective of ARCs and its impacts on the diverse disciplines?
Yeah, I think ARCS is a remarkable concept. I'm a mechanical and aerospace engineer by training. I started my career at NASA. I worked there for 14 years. I think this is a great way to provide experiential learning for our students and to prepare them for the workforce and working closely with JPL. I think that's a very unique opportunity.
So, based on your experience, is there a specific project that you're really excited about that we can see today?
So there are a number of things clearly in the space area, not just propulsion, but advanced materials and the things, all these vehicles, remote vehicles that can, travel on lunar surfaces and so forth. So I think there is a lot of things, there are a lot of interesting ideas. So I haven't actually walked around and seen everything, but I am familiar with what CSUN does here. So I oversee research for the entire CSU. So I've not directly been involved with ARCs, but we are very happy to learn about ARCs, and we'd like to take this model and clone it and do this for other areas, like for example for climate change or any other areas of engineering. So
That's great. That's the first that I've heard about, expanding this, model into other areas. So that's really exciting because
success stories. So we want to see how we can use this in other places.
So on that note, can you elaborate more about, specifically how, the incorporation of entrepreneurship, arts and humanities has affected the projects here versus, similar type of programs that are just focused on STEM?
I think we value entrepreneurship in the CSU. In fact, we have a system-wide entrepreneurship competition. In 2024, it'll be at Dominguez Hills, and all 23 campuses are invited to participate. We have launched a number of companies from the CSU, and then including the arts and humanities is a great idea. So that it's not just science and engineering, but it's really, and we're seeing something similar in climate change. Climate change is not just science and engineering; it also includes social justice, community engagement, policy, education, and a number of other things. So I think it's a great thing to make it very multidisciplinary. So I'm really happy to see that. So.
Amazing. So I just have two more questions for you. If you could describe your collaboration with ARC students, the faculty, in one emoji, what would that emoji be?
It would be like a rocket taking off.
That's a great one. Okay, and is there a funny story or moment, during your time with ARCs that you can share with us?
I don't have a specific story, and I don't really have very detailed involvement here because I have, more system-wide responsibilities. But I have met, the professor who leads this, who has come to the chancellor's office, and I think this is really great. The fact that somebody from science, from humanities and arts, can participate. When a student in arts or humanities might say, wait a minute, I'm not going to be involved in rocket science, but here's the chance for them to be more integrated with the rocket scientists.